we'll start the drumstick curry. I put 2 spoons of ghee and I'll put the same quantity of oil. Since I've been cooking for a while, I know how much I'm putting. So you can use a spoon. Same spoon you use for both. Now let the oil get hot. In the meantime, I'll get the garam masala ready. I took 1 star anise, 3 elaichi, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 to 6 cloves, and half a spoon of saunf. Keep this ready. When the oil is ready hot, just put this in and let them splatter. We will wait. I put the masala items and we'll just fry for a while. When you hear the saunf is bursting, we'll just add the cut onions. I took 4 onions and 7 chilies because we like it spicy in my house. You can take according to your taste, according to the spice you need. Just give a little time for the now I'm putting the cut onion. And I took 7 chilies, I told you. I'm putting everything in and we'll fry it till it becomes transparent. No need to make it brown. Transparent is enough. So we just mix everything and I will leave it to close the lid and let it fry. Considering the high cost of tomatoes, I stopped using fresh tomato unless it's for a specific reason. I buy this tomato powder. It's very nice and it's very tasty. I think they chose the best quality tomato and they dried and made a powder. So I use this. I'm just sharing. I'm not showing the name of the company because I don't want you to feel I'm promoting it. So this is the powder I use. I'll show you when the curry is getting ready. You will see the difference, but the taste is awesome. I put 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Sorry, I forgot to press the record button if you have not seen it. Now I'm frying till the raw smell goes of the ginger garlic paste. I'm adding 1 bunch of curry leaf. I just always try to squeeze it so the aroma of that spreads in the onion. I like it that way. Mix it. Now I ground the paste of the tomato, cashew and the badam. It's ready. I'll just keep it aside. When I need it, I will be using it. See, this is the tomato powder. It's so beautiful to look. It's like a velvet silky color. Now I have this spoon. I use this spoon only. So I am putting 1, 2, enough. And I mix it nicely. Let's mix it. See the color? You will not see any difference that it is not tomato. It's so beautiful. I have taken about 4 big drumsticks. I cut into pieces. I washed them. Now I am putting them in this because they need to fry a little bit before we pour the water for boiling. These are all from the tree, from the farm, my colleague, and they are fresh. Very nice. And they were quite big also. So I'm just trying drumsticks. And my dog is barking, I'm sorry. I'm using a bit of Himalaya rock salt pin. Just put little because I always check my salt before I finalize the curry. So now I put little, and I'll put little turmeric powder. This turmeric powder is home ground, and from the what we do, we buy the raw turmeric, we wash it, we dry it, and we make powder at home. I'm just putting little more. I'm just sauteing this. Let it work for a while till everything